67% of small teams manage projects in spreadsheets rather than dedicated PM tools. This template makes that approach actually work well. We build a task table with task name, assignee, priority, status, start date, due date, and completion percentage. Data validation creates drop-downs for status and priority to keep entries consistent. Color-coded status indicators, overdue, highlighting, and progress bars in cells make the tracker scannable at a glance. Conditional formatting rules auto-apply to new rows added to the table. Using conditional formatting on a date grid, we create a visual Gantt chart that shows task durations as colored bars. No add-ons needed, just clever use of date comparisons and cell coloring. A summary section shows tasks by status, overdue count, completion percentage, and team workload. Countifs and query functions aggregate data automatically as tasks are updated. I build the entire project tracker live in Google Sheets, from blank sheet to finished template with sample project data. Every formula and formatting rule is explained step by step. Make a copy of the template from the link in the description. Subscribe for more Google Sheets project templates.